Ciao a tutti gli amici di Rifra, quest'oggi ci troviamo in Liechtenstein.
Hello.
It's right, Sabina.
It's fully right.
Liechtenstein?
Liechtenstein.
Ecco, Liechtenstein. Siamo qui appunto per una intervista a uno dei nostri clienti. Thank you so much, Sabina, for your hospitality. Thank you.
Thank you for having us and welcome to our small little home in Liechtenstein.
In your amazing home. So, Sabina, talk about your experience for arrive to take this wonderful kitchen by Rifra.
So we bought this house like a year ago, and when we bought it, we already knew that we wanted the kitchen to be the heart of the whole home, because in the end, everybody is here in the kitchen celebrating and living. And we were searching for a kitchen that is special, unique, with, let's say, also a lot of life to it. And then we found Rifra, searching simply online.
Oh, social media, I know, Francesco. Yes,
exactly. So my husband actually found it, and I was like,
on Google, kitchen, luxury kitchen,
and then he found a few, but Rifra was, let's say, had the best impression on us.
So talk about behind the scene for choose this kitchen. You of course find Rifra by Google, by social media.
Exactly.
You send email for have more info.
Exactly. So why did we basically, the first thing is to find Rifra, but exactly as you say, why did we stay with Rifra? So we contacted you guys, and then there was like, okay, they were very warm, welcoming, and we already felt very welcome to the whole team which we were talking to. And then we had the chance to go to the showroom in
Locarno.
Exactly. And there we met colleagues, and we said, okay, we feel safe, we feel good, and we were able to see all the kitchens in the showroom, which were really high quality. And so that was really impressive. And we said, if we invest, then we invest in good quality and beautiful design.
And you felt an amazing feeling with Rifra, and you like family.
Exactly. Actually, that is really something which is not so easy to find throughout the whole journey, because it took a little bit of time to get this kitchen as it is here. We started with, let's say, a first design, but we took a lot of designs until we reached this type of final design in the end. And we were really feeling well, and let's say it was customer oriented.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's important.
And I know also with the Francesco paper and pencil to design your kitchen.
Exactly. We started with the paper, with the pencil. Then we even did something on the PC, on the laptop. But then, of course, we had the architecture, like Valentina, who helped us also a lot in finding the final design of our kitchen.
And of course, if our friends maybe want a kitchen like yours, of course, you can tell.
We can fully recommend.
Buy this kitchen.
Exactly. Now, it's not just a beautiful kitchen, but we love cooking in it. And it's really, I can just recommend to anybody who likes design, who likes quality, and who wants an experience in the end, the whole life, to be able to cook.
Yes, because I think the kitchen is the heart of the home.
Exactly.
Yeah. Sabina, because your kitchen is amazing,
Thank you.
Want also check your details. Okay?
Sure.
Okay, Francesco, come on here.
So, before we check the details, I think it's important also to understand that this color is really beautifully made, tailor-made in that sense. And then what we really like about the kitchen is not only the angle of 45 degrees, but actually the thickness of it. Like, you can really feel the quality in it. It's not only pretty, but also sturdy. And that is really important.
The colors is the same in your dress.
That's true. I didn't even see it, but that's true. Maybe that's why I like that and this.
Perfect. Yeah, the color is amazing. And also the part of
exactly the
wash.
The sink is really, I mean, we decided to get it's bigger than usual size. And because my husband loves to cook, he's Italian. So when he uses these big things, then he just can put it here in total in one. There is no issues or anything. So this is really, I appreciate it. It's really well made with all the stone as well.
It's more comfort.
More comfort, and it looks pretty. It's 2-in-1 in that
It's
set.
not little, it's very big for all. Okay. And also here.
Exactly. So what I also, here again, you can see the thickness, that's something we appreciate, but also the indirect lighting we had here. And we also have, oh, it's already on. So we have the inside lighting, which makes the cucina just, again, più bella in that sense.
Brava, in italiano.
Exactly. So
also we can see typical Italian food.
Exactly. You see how
the south of Italy. Okay.
Exactly. It's all here. Yeah. And maybe in the end, this small detail as well. We decided to have 2 sinks because my husband, again, also loves good coffee. And he said, look, if I have my bezzera qui, I really want a small sink to be able to...
It's more comfort.
Exactly.
For example, you cook and Francesco can do a coffee. Perfect.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Sabina, thank you so much. You are amazing, like your kitchen.
Thank you so much.
I wish to see you soon, maybe in Milan, in our showroom.
We will join you.
Thank you. Grazie.
Thank you, grazie anche a voi, grazie.
E mi raccomando, voi seguiteci sui nostri canali social, YouTube, Facebook e Instagram per rimanere sempre aggiornati e vedere le interviste come quella di oggi. Grazie a tutti e buon proseguimento.
Rifra, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.